Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be like a style video. You guys, we just had Thanksgiving here in Canada, and I wanted to show you guys how I styled my table for Thanksgiving. I didn't have a chance to show you guys on the spot how it looked and stuff and how I did it, but I am recreating it using this bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. You guys already know that I loved the rose gold color for this holiday season, and this is a humongous roll that I was so happy to receive from them, and I'm going to use that to decorate my Thanksgiving table. So also, you guys, I am giving away one of these gorgeous rolls, this gorgeous roll here, and it comes in this little bag. And they sent me this to give you guys, well, as a giveaway for you guys to go ahead and create whatever you like with this bling wrap. I chose the color rose gold for you guys, and it is gorgeous. Really gorgeous, and of course the roll is huge. So you guys, please continue to watch this video and see how I decorated my Thanksgiving table. So here we go. The thing that I'm going to do is grab 2 strips of the Totally Dazzled bling wrap, and I'm just going to place them right here on the sides. And because I'm scared that it might go like this and go like that, I'm going to be taping it to the bottom using some clear tape so that it doesn't move as much, and so that I can take it off after Thanksgiving. So, here we go. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for this side as well. So you guys, I did choose not to put a tablecloth on there because I wanted the rose gold to really pop. Let's just bring it in a little bit more, just so that it could be the same with the other one. All right. Place this mirrored tray, which I DIY'd, added some rose gold glitter and stuff to the sides, right in the center here. And I did go ahead and place some pumpkins with some of these leaves that we picked, we got from the park, right in here. Most of these pumpkins were from the Dollar Tree, and the pine cones as well we picked up at the park. So that was a pretty cool project for us to do with the girls and stuff. All right. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna do Okay, so you guys, I have been creating these gorgeous candles. These are soy candles, and I like that they're bling. You guys know I like my glitter and stuff, so I've been creating these. These are really cool, and yeah, they're really pretty. I have them in silver, gold, and rose gold, but this is really cute. So I will be adding this here. And I also have them in rose bouquet with rose petals in there. So that's an added bonus. So I'm just going to place this one right here. Another thing I want to show you guys is something that I did off camera. Just give me 1 second. And that is this gorgeous vase that the brooches from Totally Dazzled, the bling wrap. I added some water with a submersible light in there with the candle holder from the Dollar Tree. So this vase was purchased from the Dollar Tree as well. Look how cute that is. It's so pretty and shines so bright in the night, so I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and place it right here. Let's just turn it a little bit. This is really gorgeous. All right, here. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna do is put the plates on. I will show you how I do so. Okay, so the plates, I'm just going to use this white, plain white one that I have here. And I have this little, I'm just going to place the saucer one right here so that the bowl can have a little height. I have this beautiful, gorgeous soup bowl here, which I'm going to place right on the top. I did go ahead and cut a strip of bling wrap, and I am going to place it, let me show you guys, right like so. Push it under and just place it right like so, and just give it a little depth, let it fall into the bowl. And my napkin with my gorgeous napkin rings, which are the most amazing fall decoration ever. And it looks like this. And I'm just gonna place it right in the center and just open it up like so. Let me just zoom in for you to see. It's absolutely gorgeous. So I did it for all 4 of them. Add my glasses to the top here, to the top right here. So these are what I'm using. These are wine glasses from the thrift store. It's supposed to go right here. Okay. So my cutlery, for cutlery, I'm using these ones here. So normally the knife goes here. The soup spoon goes here. The fork is always on the left. And the dessert spoon is always on the top. So I'm going to do that for all 4. And so you guys, this is the finished product. This is what it looks like. I am debating whether or not to put these on here. It's kind of takes away from all the bling wrap, but whatever. I think it looks okay. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below. I might take this off. I think it's better without, but let's just put it in there for now. It looks rather okay. But this is what it's looking like. It's just really classy, really pretty, a little intimate setting for Thanksgiving. And I absolutely love it. I love how these look. These are really pretty. I love the bling wrap. It's, you guys, it is so beautiful, so classy, and I absolutely love it. I can't wait to do something else with it. And this was just for Thanksgiving because I love the color and I wanted it all over my table, but I just chose to have 2 strips of bling wrap. But apart from that, it is gorgeous. I loved it. We loved it for Thanksgiving, and it looks so classy with just us eating, and we loved it so much. Thank you everybody at Totally Dazzled again for providing me with this gorgeous bowl here once again, you guys, for you. It's really pretty. Look at that. Really pretty, and I'd like to say thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thanksgiving in the US is coming up soon. I hope you guys have an amazing Thanksgiving. I hope you guys have an amazing table set up for your Thanksgiving. If you guys love this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, give me a comment down below. I will be choosing a winner of this giveaway maybe in 2 weeks from now. And the winner for my other giveaway will be announced later today on my Instagram. If you do not have Instagram, please check in the description of this video or in the description of another video to see who the winner of the candle holders are. And again, you guys, this is it. And these are my candles. Once again, they are so cute and so lovely. I love them. The reason why I chose to do this bling is because, like, after the candle burns out, you can use that with your brushes, your pens, you can decorate it, you can do whatever you want, put it on a stand like this. It's really gorgeous and I love it. And yeah, I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have an amazing week. And I will see you soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.